The Bryson family, the Martin family, were quite close friends of mine. We used to ride together all over the world. We kind of parted ways for a little bit, you know, sponsorships, and life has its twists and turns. And I'm back with the guys again, and they have a, you know, super sweet family brand, and the product's amazing. The attitude is right. It's a bunch of mountain bike dudes making good stuff. Kind of feels like coming home, getting the band back together.